Hello friends, this is Navdeep and Tushar welcoming you. Today we will be talking about one such state where people say you would experience peace. Yes, we are talking about the magnificent state of India, which has monasteries of all the four schools of Buddhism, the breathtaking Sikkim, where we will be exploring peace. The name of Sikkim is actually made up of two words of Limbu language, Su and Khaim. That means new palace or new home. It joined the Indian states on 16th May 1975 and is officially the 22nd Indian state. Let's find the exact location. This state is situated in the northeast near Siliguri corridor. It borders Tibet in the north and northeast, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west and West Bengal in the south. There are 11 official languages spoken here, but the most widely spoken language is Nepali. Apart from that, English is one of the 11 official languages. You would be amazed to know that majority of the population of Sikkim has Nepalese origin, thus outnumbering the natives. The capital of this state is Gangtok. The religion distribution is as follows. Hindus consist of almost 55%, Buddhists around 30%, Christians 10% and rest of religions 5%. I don't have to repeat myself that Sikkim is beautiful and scenic. Amidst the Himalayas and surrounded by forest and mountain, it is simply amazing. And if you decide to stop in these jungles with your eyes closed, you would be able to hear chants of Buddhist monks in some distant monasteries. Do you know that there are around 200 mosques, churches, temples, monasteries in this tiny state? Interesting, Tista, Rangit and Lachain are the main rivers amongst many. You can find 5,000 species of flowering plants, including orchids. Apart from that, figs, laurels, sal trees, ferns, bamboo, oak, chestnut, maple, birch, alder, magnolia and silver fir are in abundance. The wildlife consists of musk deer, blue sheep, barking deer, red panda, Himalayan black bear, snow leopard and snakes. Also more than 500 species of bird can be spotted in this state. When talking about tourist spots, the thing is, you may select whichever direction and head up towards it. You would always feel like you have arrived at a picnic spot. It would take me a month to tell you all the names, but few of the tourist attractions are Somgo Lake, Nathula Pass, Yuksam, Lachung, Lachain, Yumthang Valley, Tista River, Ravangal, Paling, Juluk, Namchi, Khangcheng Jonga National Park, Rumtak Monastery are some of the beautiful places that you can visit. The main occupation of this state is farming. Sikkim produces rice, wheat, millet, maize, barley, cardamom, oranges and teas. Besides mineral mining, brewing, distilling, tanning and watchmaking are some of the main occupations too. Tourism also plays an important role in the economy. The paintings of Sikkim are world famous. The Thangka paintings found here are an amalgamation of beautiful colors, tantric meditative practices, and exquisite Tibetan art. Do you know that people of Sikkim have dedicated a temple for one of the soldiers of Indian Army? Yes, the hero of Nathula, Harbhajan Singh. It is believed that his spirit guards Indian soldiers even now when they perform their duty in the inhospitable conditions of eastern Himalayas.